So there's a website that I will use that is templatemaker.nl. It's a website out of the Netherlands that he has figured out the mathematical equation to get you to the shape that you want through the flat pattern. So basically, you need to put into the website the cone dimensions. And he has a lot of different shapes that you can make. It's worth playing around and exploring a little bit. It's a totally free site. It's open source. There's a little button down at the bottom that you can buy him a coffee if you want to support the site. It's a great tool. I use it a lot. So basically, I will say in my drawing or my idea, I want to make a mug that has an opening of 3.5 inches and a foot that is 2 3/4 to 3 inches and is 4 inches tall. So I can put those into the fields that populate that information, and then I hit create, and it creates a JPEG, a PNG, an SFG, a Cricut direct file. He actually has one that will export it as Cricut's favorite file format to then upload into that design space. So you can sit and, say you want to try that at 4 inches tall. This one is a little taller. I want to say that this is probably 4.5. So working with this, though, you're dealing with table pottery scale, which a 1/2 inch is, it's a big increment to grow something this way or this way. So you can make these micro adjustments, which before would mean I would take my string compass and I would draw my 2 arcs and I would cut my lines, cut that out, and I'd check it. If it wasn't right, then I'd have to go through that whole process again. So using that, this guy obviously is a little bit more vertical, a little closer to a rectangle, a cylinder, with a slight flare. It's a little taller, it's a little wider overall, but it's got less pitch to it, whereas this one has a little bit more flare to it. Or you can go a little taller and start to get closer to like a pint cup. So like I was saying about things being like drawing, is you have this really nice back and forth between putting in your coordinates or your dimensions, create it, see what it looks like. If you don't like it, modify it. And it doesn't have to take all of the time. It's definitely faster than making it in clay and then realizing that you don't like it. So then you have to remake it in clay.